Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking for a new plate set?
Little background story on these. So I got a really nice expensive plate set, but then I got these as like our everyday use ones because we've got kids, we live a busy life, we are messy people, and it turns out that I love these so much that I just use them all the time. Whether we have guests over or not, these are getting used. They are perfect. They are everything that I needed them to be. I love these geometric designs. Plus, they're durable. They're not going to stain. And I did the cut test on them and they didn't scratch or even leave a mark. These are amazing plates. I will use them whether we have a fancy dinner going on or whether we're just having dinner as a family. These will be used. I also love that these are made from bamboo, and for some reason that just makes me feel like they are safer for my family than regular plastic. I love that they're dishwasher safe. I have used them many times and washed them many times, and even when I use bleach in my dishwasher, they have shown no signs of fading or chipping.
So this plate set is wonderful. It's durable, it's beautiful, and you're gonna love it. But that's just my point of view.